Hey everyone! I am currently taking a quick break from work, so I thought I'd come on here and record myself to see how I can recreate something similar to this in Articulate Rise. I thought this was nice with some of the shapes. I think we can play around with some of the image blocks here to recreate something like this, and maybe use some storyline blocks to create that. Let's see how that goes. Okay, so I'm going to just screenshot this and use this as my little reference page. Bloop. Okay, just going to copy that, and then I'm going to open up my Illustrator. One moment. Here we go. Just realised I have so many things open. One moment. Whoop. Okay, so I'm just going to paste in this little reference image. Firstly, I'm a very messy designer. I'm a creative mess, I think. I'd like to call myself that. But however you want to learn, you can follow along, you can copy me. Okay, so I'm going to break this up into little blocks. We're just going to probably do this. I'm just going to create an outline. This is so it'll help me break out what assets I need to create in Articulate Rise to really have this same look and feel. I'll just do that in red. And I guess this can be its own little block. Ooh. I have no idea how I'm going to create this, but let's all learn together. This text will be its own block, and this will be easy in storyline. That nice little button. Okay, all right. Let's create some assets. All right, so I'm going to use my color tool. It's going to be a nice little purple block. Now, it's not going to look exactly the same. I'm just going to do something similar, something easy. So usually when I have an illustration, I would... Let's go find a nice illustration. Let's go maybe blush design. I'm gonna sign in. Cool, I'm already signed in. All right, let's find some nice illustrations. Maybe some food. Food's good. You know what I'm gonna pick? Donut time! Alright, so that just means I'm going to have to align the aesthetics with this black outline, so that's fine. I'm just going to download it as a SVG. Sit there. And now I'm going to drag my SVG into my Illustrator file. I'm just going to grab that, Control C and Control V. Okay, maybe I want a donut there, and I might have some text here. What shall I write? Welcome. Oh no. Ooh. Design your donut. Okay, we're gonna design our own donut. That's what we're gonna do. I'm completely winging this. I have no idea what I'm doing. But let's give it a crack. Alright, design your donut. Okay, sounds good to me. maybe add some little text down here. I'm gonna do maybe this. Whoa, why is it all caps locks? Nope. I don't want caps locks. Design your donut. What does it say here? Ooh. Insert blurb on how you can design the most delicious delish. I can't spell delicious. Delicious looking donut ever. Sure, why not? Okay, I'm gonna do that in white. Whoa, white. White. Okay. Now I want to recreate that little swirl thingy, so I'm gonna use my pen tool. I'm gonna start from here. Click, create your point. Click and drag to create a little curve. Click and drag to create a little curve. Ooh. Okay. Click and drag. I want to change that pointed area later on. Let me just fix all of this. So pen tool was probably the first thing that I learned when I wanted to get into Illustrator, maybe about like 10 years ago. So I'm going to change this around now. I'm just going to align things. I'm going to make this a little bit more curvier. So let's go and select our direct selection tool. You can select A, or you can click this little hack here. Ta-da! Curved. Doesn't really look like that, but better than nothing. So I'm just going to align all my points. Oh well, I'll fix that. And then it'll be text. Yep, that's fine. Blah blah blah. Text, text, text. Text, text, text. Ooh, I know. Select your toppings. Okay, let's do let's do this font. Now I know this font's probably not going to be in Rise, but we'll make it work. Maybe we'll do a dark purple. Nope, maybe something a little bit cooler. Yeah. Alright, let's do that. Okay. Ooh, I like the little, there's little accents there. How am I going to create that? Let's see what shapes there are in blush. Edit. Okay, so you got your donut, you got a banana. Oh, maybe some ice cream. Let's download this little ice cream. Download this VG. Pulling that over into here. Control A, Control C, Control V. Ooh. Oh yeah, that look cool. Select your toppings. Well, I'm gonna draw some sprinkles. I reckons. Maybe some round and cornered sprinkles. Just gonna move that around. Okay. So I'm gonna maybe select. Oh, hack. All right. I don't need to draw sprinkles. I can just steal it from the donut. Ha 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 ha. Ungroup. Ungroup. So many groupings. Alright, let's steal these little sprinkles. So select it, click Alt, hit drag, bring to front, range, bring to front. I got my sprinkles and I didn't have to create it. A bit more white. Control, range, front. I have no idea what I'm doing. I didn't plan or think this through. I'm gonna get back to work in like 13 minutes, so if you're keen to hear me out, and awesome. Maybe I'll do an outline. Oh no, okay, no, change my mind. I don't like sprinkles. It's not aligning to the design aesthetics. Alright, and then we're gonna do little squares. Oh, okay, I'm too impatient. I really just want to create this in Rise right now. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. File, export, save as. No, maybe a bit bigger. File, export, save as, save. I'm gonna save it here. Okay, let's open up Rise, shall we? Rise. Okay, create new course. Donut time. Test block. Oh, I'm so not creative today. Add content. Lesson. Alright, let's have some fun. So how would I recreate the design your donut first little block? I would probably do maybe this, and then edit, and then settings, and then I'll change the color to what color is this? This is this. Copy. Okay. Now I'm gonna go back to our Rise course. Change the background color. Control V. Ah, crud. What? Haha. Haha. Okay. And now we go content. I'm gonna change this image to my little donut. Awesome. I'm gonna create maybe just a bit more space at the top. I'm going to switch it. This font is not that beautiful looking, so we will change that. Let's go white font. Okay. Let's hold that there for now, but let's create the next block. Okay. Let's do Illustrator. Okay, this is where magic happens. So I'm just going to select both of these, Control C, then I'm going to Control V. I'm just going to make that a wee bit bigger, and then I'm going to create an artboard out of that. Going to make that bigger. Yep, File, export as. I want to make sure that, whoa, see all my client work. Oops. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to label ice cream block underscore no process underscore. Why am I doing this? When you put no process, it won't, oh no, wrong one. It won't compress the image. Little hack that I learned along the way. Underscore no process underscore export. Okay. Right. And now, image. I'm going to use the full width image. Edit. Replace image. Ice cream, no process. Love it. Settings, top padding, none. Oh, guys, look at that. Ta-da! Pew! Maybe part one. That's part one of this little mini tutorial. I have no idea what I'm doing. But maybe I'll work on this again tomorrow with you guys. Alright. Amanda out. Bye.